Today we're going to be cooking scrambled eggs with cheddar cheese and basil, and these are the ingredients that we're going to use for this recipe. Here is some fresh basil that you can cut the leaves right off of the sprigs. Set that aside. We have olive oil, eggs, tomato, the cheddar cheese, onion, salt, pepper, and water. What we'll have to do is chop the tomatoes, cut the onion, chop up the cheddar cheese. Again, here we are again with all the ingredients that we'll be using for the scrambled eggs with basil and cheddar cheese. Now we're going to prepare the ingredients. Take a few leaves off of this basil plant, which I'll be using for this recipe. I'm going to say about this much would work. Set that aside, and we'll chop up the basil. Like so. Cut up the tomatoes. I would say you can pretty much use any tomatoes. It'll get cooked up. There you are. And now to chop the onion. Found a piece of onion that we cut from a previous dish the other day, and we had just the right amount left over for us to use for this breakfast recipe. It's great when you can use all of your products or all of your produce. Sometimes I end up with produce that sits around and doesn't get used, and that's just kind of a shame it doesn't get used because it brings such good flavors to cooking. There we are. So chop up the onion just a little bit here. Here we are. So it looks like we have things chopped up that need to be chopped up and are ready to go into the pan when it's time. Set that aside. And now I will get the eggs into the bowl so we can get them all mixed up. Mix them up so it's well mixed. So the eggs are pretty well mixed together now, and then we'll add a little bit of water. Oh, maybe a tablespoon or so. And I actually like to throw in a little bit of milk. Oh, a little more. There we go. So this is looking good, and it is ready for the egg to go in, the egg mixture. You pour it into the pan and just let it sit for a little bit. When you let it sit like that, it cooks for a little bit. It gets more firm underneath. Stir it just a little bit, just to get everything mixed in together well. And we are just about ready to serve this yummy looking breakfast. It's the scrambled egg with basil and cheddar cheese. You might want to serve it with toast, butter, and maybe some jelly on the side. There we are. So now we're gonna prepare to put it on our plates. And here we have our completed breakfast. It's called the scrambled eggs with basil and cheddar cheese and tomato. Goes well with toast, butter, and a little bit of homemade marmalade, orange marmalade, which I'll be showing how to make that if upon request. Just follow us and I will do a recipe for orange marmalade. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your breakfast. I will.